प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स। A for apple, APPLE apple. B for baby, BABY baby. C for candy, CANDY candy. D for diamond, DIAMOND diamond. E for elephant, ELEPHANT elephant. F for fan, FAN fan. G for goat, GOAT goat. H for house, HOUSE house. I for ice cream, ICECREM ice cream. J for jelly, JELLY jelly. K for kite, KITE kite. L for line, LION line. M for mango, MANGO mango. N for noodle, NOODLE noodle. O for orange, ORANGE orange. P for parrot, PARROT parrot. Q for queen, QUEEN queen. R for rat, RAT rat. S for sun, SUN sun. T for tiger, TIGER tiger. U for umbrella, UMBRELLA umbrella. V for violin, VIOLIN violin. W for watch, WATCH watch. X for fox, FOX fox. Y for yo-yo, YOYO yo-yo. Z for zebra, ZEBRA zebra. सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक